Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a loan in QuickBooks Online. Start by navigating to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Here, you'll create a new liability account to track your loan. Be sure to select the correct account type, typically a long-term liability, and input the initial loan amount. Don't forget to add the lender's name and the exact date you received the funds. This foundational step ensures accurate tracking from day one, making future reconciliations much smoother. Once the liability account is set up, it's time to record the actual loan proceeds. You'll do this by creating a journal entry. Debit your bank account for the full amount of the loan received, and then credit the new loan liability account you just established. This ensures your cash balance increases appropriately, and the loan is properly reflected on your balance sheet. Double-check that the entry date aligns with the date you received the funds. To manage your loan payments effectively, first create the lender as a vendor in QuickBooks. This allows you to easily track payments. When making payments, you'll need to split each transaction into two parts, the principal reduction and the interest expense. Ensure you have a dedicated expense account for interest to accurately categorize these costs. Setting up recurring transactions can save you significant time each month. Consistent tracking and reconciliation are crucial for accurate loan management. Regularly compare your QuickBooks loan account balance with the lender's statements. Pay close attention to ensure the principal and interest portions of your payments align perfectly. If you find any discrepancies, address them immediately. This diligent process helps maintain precise financial records and provides a clear picture of your outstanding loan balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.